When I was forced to retire, I didn't know what I was going to do. The golden handshake didn't stretch far enough. The bills, the responsibility, and that gradual sinking feeling that I had to start over again at 66. I bought course after course trying to figure out this online thing. Most of them were just too techy, too confusing, and left me more frustrated than ever before. And then in April 2024, I found the system. No recruiting, no monthly fees. Just a simple process that runs in the background while I go about my normal day. I made back my investment within weeks. And the best thing is I didn't have to bother a single friend or a family member. If you ever felt like giving up, but you know you have got more in you, message me ready and I'll show you the path that changed everything for me.